What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Chris Official, man, coming at you with a reaction video to Chainsaw Man episode, I want to say 6. I think this episode, so yeah, episode 6. And yeah, man, everybody get straight into it, man. I'm giving this to y'all pretty late. My fault, y'all. For those who've been waiting. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment if you enjoyed this video. Watch my previous reactions. I also have Bleach reactions and Blue Lock reactions, which I also got to catch up to. Hopefully those be up by tomorrow. Hopefully. With that said, I'm not about to waste too much of your time. We better get straight into this video. 1, 2, 3. I always enjoy how we pick up exactly where we left off. Oh snap, they really are stuck on that A4. Bro, what the heck is wrong with her, bro? Oh snap, that's not even the outside. Oh my god. Deji all comfy, bro. He like they in crisis mode right now.
閉じ込める力を使ったまま死んだんだ。その悪魔が悪い。言ってね。力は悪魔が死ねば解除されるから。
Power always stay lying, bro.
の反応は。それが。私たち全員ここで死んじゃう。
Bro, Shorty is tripping. Like, sure, like she about to freak out. Relax. That's your only two options? Doe hunter and sex worker, bro? Not secretary somewhere? Oh!
8時18分です。どの部屋の時計も8時18分で。この8階だけ止まっている可能性があります。その場合、助けは来ないかもしれません。
Nah, they are in a tough situation. He really went to sleep. He's sleeping right now. That's what I'm saying. He tripping. She thought so was wrong Power. No, Power's just an idiot, bruh.
それあいつと同じタバコじゃん。そりゃあきくんにタバコの味を教えたのは。付き合いがあるから吸えた方がいいよ。
Hold up, smoking bad for your bones? Let me know if that's true, bro. It probably is. I ain't gonna front. Smoking just bad for you, period. Don't smoke. Yo! Boy, somebody just smacked the taste out of my mouth, bro. My old partner's girlfriend.
ガムつけてあった。
You put gum on her clothes. Bro, that's okay, child. Bro, you want him to smoke so bad? You trying to get my man cancer.
そうだから知ってほしいな。
No, bro. Oh, you better not put your lips on that cigarette, bro.
一生で吸うタバコは
しょうがないな。
キスだ。ずるい。関節キスだ。
No face indirect, Chris, bro. Chill, Deji. You worry about the wrong things.
悪い。
ホテルから
Yo, who that?
デンジ食わせろ。
Oh, bro, people tripping. Bro, what is good with her? I'm about to, that's oh, Deji, you saw Deji was just like, you won't find my heart here. You're inside my stomach. What?
そいつは殺すべきです。一度そいつを殺して外に出た後に対策を練ればいい。このままじゃ。
Yo, you just ready. Well, I can see why you barely know me, bro.
この悪魔の契約を。
Yeah, bro. Are they about to turn, bro? Aki,
殺したがっている。
I can find Aki turns on. That'll be crazy. I say we kill him.
ノーベル賞を思いついても外に出られない。ノーベルのために死んどくれ。
魔人と悪魔は契約を結べない。
Yo,
悪魔は
power be switching up, bro.
だけどこのままじゃ餓死しちゃう。
So is the plan to starve?
用もなくなったら刀を使います。
それは
I'll use the sword. Whoa, what's wrong with him using the sword? That's what I'm saying. If he can get him out here and let him use it.
どうない。
Yo, that sword must be crazy then.
デンジ君
She ate the food?
わしじゃない。デンジが食べておったわ。
Deji, what the?
わかっちゃった。
She ate all of their food?
悪魔の悪魔なんかじゃ。
Bro, she is tripping. He is on their heels. Is he flipping the A4 over, bro? Yo. I'm using a sword. No, what are you doing? Power, help Deji, bro. What the heck is Power doing? No, she didn't just stab Aki. What? But he wants the gun double dead. And I can't kill him by myself. Yo, is he about to die or something? Nah, it's too soon for him to die. This is only episode 6. He a side character, bro.
じゃあ食われてやら。押すからよ。もし俺が。だけど、チェーンソーになる。 てめえらに俺を殺すよう言ってんだ。
I didn't even catch that it wasn't trying to kill. He was trying to get them to kill him.
言って言って
Mm.
だったらよ、あいつが死にた自殺させりゃいい。
Whew, that smile thumbnail. Possibly.
てめえ、俺を余計なことすんじゃねえよ、クソが。俺は誰かに借りつくんの。
Ooh, it's time.
外出れたら貸し借りなしだからな。
So once we're out here, we even. I hit that. Oh my god. No way y'all ended it like that. It was just getting crazy. Man, first of all, something's wrong with that one short. Y'all don't even know her name. She bugging out the whole time. Like, bruh, and Himino, whatever her name is, bruh. The heck wrong with her? Oh, how many years does that story even take off his life, bruh? Shit, let him use it. We probably would have been out of there. But that was a good episode, bro. It had me engaged. It was entertaining. I can't wait to get to the next one, which I'm about to react to right after this. Literally right after. With that said, appreciate everyone for watching. Like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Can't wait to see y'all again. With that said, peace.